Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at the observatory, and I want to talk about why rotating the dome is so difficult. This diagram here explains the entire circuitry for how the dome rotates. When we originally installed the system, it involved a box with rectifiers and solenoids in it that connects to a relay box that then was controlled by an RF relay that has a hand controller over here. We would push a button here, it would send a signal to this, it would go through these cables, labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4, and be sent to 1, 2, and 3, and 4 here on the relay. We purchased this thing here called a Max Dome, which you would recognize as this box right here. To control this thing, it sends out a plus and a minus to rotate the dome. A positive voltage here will send out a clockwise, and a negative voltage here, so basically sending out the voltage on the minus instead of the plus, will send it the other way. And that needs to be sent to this board. Unfortunately, the way it was wired up looked like this. It had the COM ports were individual, and the plus 12 had a resistors and diodes that connected to the normally open circuit. This plus 12 here came from this device here. It has a plus 12 and the ground was looped back. We have now since interfaced this RF relay to there's a manual control on here to this. But the way that these were designed was flip-flopped. Instead of sending a voltage and connecting it from the plus 12 to one of these, this one requires you to connect the ground and these ones, and it shorts a circuit to create the signal that's being sent. So we needed to rewire this board to go from this to be like this. So see, we've switched the COM to now being on a parallel circuit, and now the 12 volt motor plus and minus will have their own inputs. So that's what is so darn hard about this process. We're getting it rewired right now. It's sitting at the barn, which is a building here on the island that is a machine shop and a whole bunch of other things. But this is why this project has been so darn difficult. It's because we're rewiring the whole system of this box. This box was accepting apples, and we're trying to give it oranges. So that's why this project's been taking so long, but hopefully it's going to be finished here in the next few days, and we're very excited to get it all wired up. But thank you guys for tuning into this video. I know it's just another quick one, but this is kind of an in-depth explanation onto exactly what was going wrong with the original system and how we're fixing it and why it took so long. But we're really excited to have it set up here in the next week or two, and we can't wait to get some pictures coming in from the Richie. So stay tuned. See you guys soon.